Here I have LG K8 2017, and today I'm going to show you how to change screen timeout on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the display section, then screen timeout. You can change this time to 15, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5, 10, or even 15. Or you can just keep screen turned on all the time. I'll just stay with 2. I think it's the best screen timeout for me. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.